I'll just see if anything else is interesting. This is an example of automated radar driving using radar. So, in foreign countries, whenever you are traveling at over speed, radar will find your velocity or speed, and it will automatically detect the fine, right? So that is given here. So you are calculating the radar parameters first. You are designing a radar for that, okay, and you are designing a radar hardware. How we are going to, what antenna you are going to use, and how many arrays you are going to use. Everything you are going to do that. Having some error, so I think you have to. So what it is doing, can see the visualization. The radar energy propagates around the air line of sight. Once it hits the vehicle, it comes back, and from that you can visualize can calculate the distance and the speed of the moving object. With that, you can do some calculation. Either you can the speed is over if the car is going at a very high speed. Okay, so that is going to be the thing for you. See here. The other way, a car was traveling at 110, 100, and 130. Okay, so they are classifying the cars based on their speed, and depending on the speed, you can put fine, or you can put some alert to the user saying, please don't drive at over speed. Please drive the safe range of speed. So that calculation you can make it from the radar, and you can give it as a input